If you are a POS agent in Nigeria and you haven't registered with CAC, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to register your POS business with CAC, step by step, cheaply and fast, without stress. Registering your POS business with CAC makes you legit. It helps you open a business bank account, work with fintech companies, avoid issues with banks, and prepare for future government regulations. Before you start CAC registration, make sure you have these things ready. Go to the official CAC website and create an account on the registration portal. Choose a business name like Bright Future POS Services. Submit 2 name options and wait for approval. Once your name is approved, select business name. This is the cheapest and fastest option for POS agents. Enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your NIN. Add your business address and select POS or financial services as your business activity. Make payment on the portal. Business name registration is usually cheap and affordable compared to company registration. After approval, download your CAC certificate and status report. Congratulations, your POS business is now officially registered. Use your CAC documents to open a business bank account and register with POS service providers for higher transaction limits. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more money, business, and fintech guides in Africa. Comment below if you want a video on TIN registration or POS compliance tips.